These tutorials are going to teach you the easiest way to make money online with cryptocurrencies. For the past week, these are the withdrawals that I've made from Binance app. You can also follow me on Binance page here. We have over 28,000 students. And every day too, I share my trades with my students. You will also be learning the trading strategy, risk management, trading psychology, how to select a coin, position sizing, and all those stuff. So make sure you follow my instructions as I teach you a step-by-step process on how to also start cashing out from your smartphone this year. The trade is still running, so if I click here, you can see I've already made like $263. My target on XRP is 0.6. So if XRP reaches 0.6, our total profit will be around $6,000, right? I was risking $200 on this trade to make $6,000 with a leverage of 75x. For me, my trades are precise. They are very precise. So meaning if I'm going to take a trade, I'll take my time and I'll hit it at the bottom or at the top. So maybe if I'm thinking of buying a trade, I'll just go and look for a coin that is currently like a support level, then I'll enter long position, or a coin that is at a resistance zone. So we can see XRP is currently at a major support level, and it might just push to like 0.6 very soon. Bitcoin is already 65,200 or so at the time of recording this video. So this video, I'm just going to show you position sizing in crypto in 2025. So there are three things you have to take note of once you know how to take a trade. The first one is risk management. Second one is risk to reward. Third one is position sizing. Please pay close attention to what I'm about to show you in this video, because it's very important you understand what you are doing. Some of you might look at this profit and you'll be asking yourself, how will Iskander have this kind of profit with a small account like this? It's because of position sizing, risk management, and also risk to reward. And I'm going to teach you everything in this video, so make sure you pay close attention and follow instructions. At the end of this video, if you still have any questions, you can just comment down below, or you can click the first link in the video description. You can join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. So you can follow me on Binance, because every day I share my trades on this page so that you can follow along, copy, and earn passive income. Make sure to also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are interested in making money through cryptocurrencies. So the first thing that we need to be looking at today is we are going to be talking about risk to reward ratio. Then we'll move to risk management and position sizing. So when we say risk to reward, you first have to go to a website called TradingView. So for me to make things very easy and simple, we are going to be using a tool called TradingView. So just go to tradingview.com. Then at the left hand side, you can see a search box here. Then you click on it. Then you make sure you select the product section. When you select the product section, now you go for super chat. So click on the super chat. Once you click on the super chat, so let's say we are going to do our analysis on XRP right now, because that's XRP that I'm currently trading on Bybit. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my app here. After going back to my app, now I'll go to search box at the left hand side. Click on the search symbol, then you type in XRP.p. So you type in XRP.p, then we'll select XRP on Bybit. You can see at the right hand side we have Binance, Bybit, Mexec, OKX, BitGet. We also have KuCoin and all these tokens that you want to use. So I am trading on Bybit, so I'll select Bybit. Remember, I told you we are going to be using what we call risk to reward. So the first thing here is we are going to be doing risk to reward ratio. Please pay close attention to what I'm about to show you in this video. We have risk management, risk to reward, and position sizing. So we are going to deal with risk to reward right now. Risk to reward is the amount of money you are willing to risk to get what you want. So maybe you have $100 and you are willing to risk $50 from that $100 to get $200, meaning you are risking 1:4. If you are risking 1:2, you are having $100 and you are ready to risk the $50 to get $100. That's 1:2. So risk to reward is the amount you are having and the amount you are ready to risk to get what you want. So maybe you have like $1,000, right? And you want to make $300. If you risk $100 to get $300, that's 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Do you get it? So whatever you are risking and the amount you are making is the reward. What you are risking is the risk, the amount you are making is the reward. Currently, I'm looking at XRP and we can see that XRP is in a uptrend, right? It's currently in a bullish trend. And our strategy is even telling us to buy XRP. My target right now is 0.6, which will give me around $6,000. I've already moved my stop loss to entry. If this trade doesn't go well, I'm going to earn $80 from this. But if it goes well, I'll be earning like $6,000. And I was risking like $250 to make this amount. But to make everything simple for you, let's use the price prediction tools to calculate the risk to reward. So right now we are thinking XRP is going to go up, right? So I click on the left hand side. We have the price prediction tools here, the forecasting tools. So click on it. Because we are thinking the market will go up, we click on long. If you are thinking the market will go down, you click on short. So I'll click on long here. Then I'll come and add it at the entry level. So I add it at the entry level around here. Then I make sure I go with the support level. So the nearest support level for XRP is 0.52, right? Then my reward is 1:3, right? So 1:3. So you can see risk to reward ratio is 3.19, meaning the amount that I'm risking is in the red bar here. So maybe if I'm having, so let's double click here. Okay, so I go back to my Bybit. After going back to my Bybit, right now my capital on Bybit is 99, almost $1,000. So I go back to my trading view, then I enter $1,000 here. Okay, and I'm willing to risk like 7%. Okay, then we have our entry price and all that stuff. So I can click on OK section. After clicking on OK section, you can see they are saying I should use a quantity of 3,664 of the open PNL of XRP. If I want to risk 7% of the $1,000, so meaning if I risk 7%, I'm going to make like 3 times of the 7%. So if we calculate, like if we are going to do this, it's very simple. So let's say I have 7 times 3 will have 21. So meaning if the trade goes well, I'm going to make 21% of my account back. And if the trade doesn't go well, I'm going to lose 7%. So from the $1,000, we can decide to ask ourselves, so what is 7% of $1,000? So if you don't know how to calculate it, just enter 7% of $1,000 here, right? Then you click on enter. So once you do this, you can see $70. So meaning I'm going to risk $70 on this trade to see if I can get like 3% of it. So right now we are thinking, okay, so if we are risking 3%, 7%, so if I did 70 times 3, that's about $210. So meaning on this trade, if I take a trade, I should be targeting $210 profit. So if this trade goes well and I use the same parameters here, I'm going to get like $210. If it doesn't go well, I'm going to lose $70. That's what we call risk to reward. Risk to reward is the amount you are willing to lose to get the amount you want. That's risk to reward. And we have 1:1 risk to reward, meaning you are risking $100 to make $100 back. Then we have 1:2, meaning you are risking $100 to make $200 back. We have 1:3, meaning you are risking $100 to make 3 times of the $100 back. Do you get it? That's risk to reward ratio. Now let's move to what we call this thing, position sizing. So position sizing is the quantity you are using to take the trade. So as you can see, if I double click again, then I scroll down, you can see we have entry price 0.5478, right? I want you to look at something here. Observe something. Have you seen that on the trade we have a quantity which is around 3664? The quantity is around 3664. So that's your positioning sizing. The amount you are investing on the trade, it becomes the amount you are investing on the trade. Do you get me? The quantity is the position sizing, how much of the margin you are going to use to take the trade. So if I decide to use, like let's say right now I have $1,000, right? And I decide to use $100 as margin, the $100 becomes the position. It's just like in Forex, we call it lot size, position sizing, and we also know risk to reward. Now we have to understand what we call risk management. So risk management is the total amount in your account here. So the total amount in your trading account. So this one, have you seen we have like $1,000 here? So the total amount that you have minus the amount you are willing to lose on a particular trade, on each trade, that's risk per trade. Risk management is the capital that you have in your trading account and the amount you are willing to trade to get what you want. That's risk management. Some of you might be willing to lose like 2% of your capital to get maybe 8% back or 4% back. Some of you might be willing to lose like 5%, others might be willing to lose like 4%, 8%. For risk, it depends on the person who is doing the trading. So for example, on this trade, I'm risking like $250 and it's a swing trade. My next target on XRP is 0.6, meaning if XRP goes to 0.6, my profit will be around $6,000 or so. And if this trade doesn't go well, I'm going to make a profit of $80. I've already moved my stop loss to entry. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this on your smartphone and PC, how to close 50% and move your stop loss to entry, because the way cryptocurrencies are, they are very volatile. They are not straightforward. You can use this for example. See how the market dropped from 0.66 to like 0.51. You could imagine if you don't have stop loss in place, or if you didn't cash out your profit when it was around 0.6. So it's always very important you move your stop loss to entry and also close 50%. So this video, I've just taught you position sizing, I've taught you risk to reward in crypto, and I've also taught you risk management. If you still have any questions, you can click the first link to join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. So make sure to follow me on Binance. You can also follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that every day you'll be able to get these amazing tutorials about trading.